How to detect a virus on computer. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can detect viruses on computer. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Option 1, you can use your Windows security, which is built in your device and it is freely available. So for that, first of all, navigate to the search icon and in the search bar search for the settings and head over to settings in your computer. After that, go to privacy and security from this menu bar on your left hand side. Now head towards the Windows security. On the Windows security, click on virus and threat protection. After that, click on scan options. And here you can select full scan or Windows Defender antivirus offline scan for the deep infection, but I will recommend you choose the full scan option here. After that, click on scan now. Then you have to follow the prompts and remove any threats if found in your computer. And the second option will be some unwanted activities that your computer may perform, such as slow performance or high CPU usage, random pops up or unknown application running, browser redirects or unwanted extension, antivirus disabled or cannot update, file disappearing or error message appearing. So if you have this kind of unwanted activities on your PC, then that means your computer may have a virus. So these are some of the way that will help you detect virus on computer, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.